Alright, here we are. We're in Chadwick, New York at the Spring Thaw Model Car Contest. We'll get on in here and see what we got for today.
Hey, the mayor's office says treasurer's office right there. He might charge. He'll charge you. He'll charge you. I was trying to figure out all the houses when I walked in here. I'm like, wait a minute, is your mom still anymore? Is that coffee?
Cross the line. And then I'm training too. I probably live in the smallest town. The biggest material. My college built a 5-story dorm, and then it became necessary to have a ladder truck.
Bob Chadwick, worked to the max. He has working headlights, working tail lights. It's even got the license plate light working. Real close to the back.
Really green?
Yeah. Am I good?
How you doing, Mike? Good.
I picked everything out, but he painted it. I might have seen that one. I had that one.
The paint job was her idea. I just painted it for her.
Yeah. Nobody needs to know that. Just with the magnifying glass, I had to wear it up and made it look large. When I was done with
Excuse me. Hey, Mike. Good. How you doing?
Hanging in there.
Get to be our age, it's the best you can do. Ain't jumping off the planes or anything like that anymore. Oh, that's mine.
Chuck?
How we doing? Yep.
Boy, whoever built that's a master model. Chuck, what do you think? Whoever built this is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at the work this guy did. I'm talking to the mirror. The mirror. The mirror. That's a lead sled right there.
Yeah.
Try picking it up. I bet you can't. 100% pure lead. You having fun, Chuck?
Oh yeah.
This is a great way for you to take in everything. This is my 30s collection here. This is 37 Ford. A real fun build. The engine details of both cars gold. Another color, can't remember
I'm climbing one, I ain't done the other. Pretty awesome. Looks really straight to me. I just just start for attention. Shy away. Dad, not wait for it. Done with that?
Couple down there.
I think that bug looks better every time I see it. I think that bug looks better every time I see it.
No, over on the side of the table.
Huh?
That's chase books.
an hour to find my way out.
You're right.
I had 7 entries. It took me an hour.
I guess I notice something every time I see it that I didn't notice before.
It covers 5, 6, 7 models. Today I'm running in circles. I got the Billy Preston song going on in circles.
We'll go around in circles. Uh-huh.
Uh-oh, he's trying to sing it.
We'll fly high like a bird up in the sky. I don't know that song, John.
I was thinking about doing that quick. We gotta fire our stuff out because I had to put half the yard back in my rental property in my wife's office. And they just took the parking lot and just looking in that float and on the bucket on his tractor and he scraped the asphalt off the and then sawed off the wall. Chatting around, we'll be here. We talked for a little while. Yeah, he's pretty good. Could crack the rib. Cracked the rib in the hospital. We checked out. And they got a blood test. So they're hoping it was just like an anomaly, and they're like, what do you do for that? Well, we got some treatment stuff we can give you. Kind of help slow things down. So he's doing like a real light, mild chemo right now. It's just a shot that they slowly inject into him. And then, all right, go eat something. Okay. Well, the doctor at first, they told him like no tomato products because it'll affect like the treatment. And he's like, there's no stuff that will affect that. So, all right. Whatever you feel like you.
usually. Oh.